Has anyone stopped to ponder the ripple effects of China's economic downturn? It's not merely a distant concern for Wall Street traders or economic scholars. It has significant implications for everyday life in the United States, from the price of your morning coffee to the stability of your job. Picture the global economy as a giant, interconnected web. Each country represents a node, and every transaction, whether it's buying a pair of shoes or selling a shipment of steel, forms a strand. Now imagine if one of those nodes, say China, starts to weaken. The strands connected to that node start to wobble. The vibrations are felt throughout the entire web. That's exactly what's happening now. China is the second largest economy in the world. It's a leading player in the global marketplace, producing everything from electronics to clothing to cars. When China sneezes, the world catches a cold. And right now, China is going through more than just a sneeze. It's experiencing a full-blown economic slump. So how does this impact the United States? Firstly, consider the trade between the two countries. The United States imports more goods from China than any other nation. If China's economy slows, it means less production, and less production can lead to higher prices for those goods in the US. So that smartphone or pair of sneakers you've been eyeing might just get a little pricier. Secondly, many American companies have substantial investments in China. They've set up factories, hired local workers, and established supply chains. If China's economy continues to struggle, these investments could be at risk. This could directly affect American businesses and, by extension, American jobs. Lastly, a weaker Chinese economy can have broader effects on the global economy. China is a major buyer of commodities like oil and metals. If China's demand for these commodities decreases, prices could drop. This could hurt countries that rely on exporting these commodities, some of which are important trading partners with the United States. In essence, the health of China's economy has a direct and indirect impact on the United States. It's like throwing a stone into a pond. The stone might land in one spot, but the ripples spread across the entire surface. Remember, economies, much like societies, are interconnected in today's globalized world. A downturn in one place can have far-reaching effects elsewhere. Understanding these dynamics is crucial in navigating our increasingly interconnected world. Before we wrap up, a small request. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more insightful content. Thank you for your time, and remember, knowledge is the key to understanding our world.